Sandra here from Xpressions. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to yet another video in my Pandora online catalog that I'm trying to compile here. Someone requested that I do the Queen Bee from Pandora, so I was more than happy to oblige. I'm just going to give you guys a quick little close-up again as to what the charm looks like. Oops, she turned over. Okay, so let's give a close up of the Queen Bee. You guys can see her in all her glory. As you can see, the hallmark and stamp is on her butt, on her backside. And don't worry, I'll give, like I said, I'll keep on giving all the close-ups that we need here. Again, these videos are meant to be super short videos, so you guys can just kind of, in case you're hunting for her on eBay or Facebook and you don't want to get a fake, so I'm doing this close-up so you guys can see what she looks like. She's got her little gold crown. And I'm going to tell you more about this charm from memory, because I did write down my notes, but now I don't have them in front of me, so of course. So she, I believe, this is not set in stone because I don't have all of the catalogs, the corresponding catalogs, but I believe she joined the collection in 2004. And she originally came out retailing for $44, if you guys can believe that. And then I think within that same year, within 4 years after that, the price was increased to $55. And then the price before she got retired was $60. So again, she started at $44. And then the price increased to $60, which was the price she was before she got retired in 2017. So she was part of the collection for a while, you have to say, right? 2004 is when she started appearing in the catalogs. And then was retired in 2017. She was not a limited edition, obviously. I don't recall the season or the month she was released. And of course, I don't recall the month she was retired either. I just know she was retired in 2017. It's a real shame they don't make the gold anymore, or two tones. I go by, the old catalogs online that I've started to compile, and or I even go back to my website and I look at all the retired two-tone, and it's just a shame. It's so sad that they're just not making them anymore, and they just retired so many beautiful charms. Trying to get a real close up here. And I just realized that I forgot the item number, so that will be posted in the in the description box. along with the other information I just described in the video and in the title of the video. So hope you guys have enjoyed this little video, and until next time, I will talk to you guys later.